Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. So we are at a location not too far from my house, and let's take a look. They're pretty stocked with the wrapping paper, the paper bags. They have the gift tags and tissue paper, you name it. So I'm going to show it to you. This is probably the best place to come first before you head anywhere else. So come with me. Okay, so what I'm noticing real quick is all of the gift boxes that they have here. They come in multiple shapes and sizes, which is very impressive. They also have the gift tag labels, all different kind, and these signs right here are new to this Dollar Tree. So these three signs that I'm showing you right now, these are new to this Dollar Tree. So I love the decorative boxes that the Dollar Tree carries. Look at this. I absolutely love that truck with the buffalo check in red. It's so cute. And you don't have to decorate these. These are already done for you. So, and they come in multiple sizes. So I'm loving that. Oh, look, I found the moose. I can't believe that. I mentioned this in another video. This moose pops up every year, even if it's just one. I only see one, but he's so cute. So this is probably the most dishware that we will see because by me, they have wiped everything out. And that's why I haven't been showing it to you anywhere I go because it's just all gone. So I am referring to the holiday dishware where the regular dishware, they're okay, they're stocked with the regular dishes, but I just can't seem to get a hold of the Christmas dishes. It's so frustrating. Okay, so here we have the tins. I guess you can use this to give away baked goods. I'm loving that gingerbread. And here is the trunk. And they do have the little drinking cups for the little ones, which I thought was really cute. There they go. They are so adorable, aren't they? So these plasticware, I just had to grab two of these. These are actually reindeer plastic cups, wine glasses, whatever you want to call them. They are so cute. I grabbed two. And then here's some more coffee cups with the truck and the snowman and the candy canes. It's just so festive in the store. But those plastic cups are definitely new to this Dollar Tree. Okay, so if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays.